Yo, Wavy, what's good, bro? Fuck, what am I trading? Thank you. I should go into micros, but we're just gonna do what we can do. What happened? Market opened 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago. We've been pushing up ever since. We could probably test for this wick right here. I got 2 accounts. I'm not gonna copy trade them. No, I'm gonna trade them one at a time. That way, it's less riskier. Shit, whoops. Fucking shit just disconnected. Maybe we could target 4-6. Oh, damn, we took that wick out I wanted. Maybe we could target this one next. I'll see if I can push that. Okay, boom. We're looking for that 600. And this is trailing drawdown, so I might get ready to take it out soon. All right, boom, we got that trade. We need about 1.5 more trade to get that clear. Let me look towards the backside and see if I see any anywhere we could possibly test next. We could probably test this little wick right here. So I might push it to that wick. That's actually at the level. So yeah, I might be able to push that down or push it up. But I kind of want to retest first. I don't even know if it rules a day trade. Like, am I even able to take these fast ass scalps like that or no? All right, damn, we missed a trade. So just got to sit here and wait now. Sit and wait, sit and wait, sit and wait. See if I can push that off 500s. Back down, set a take profit of 800. That wouldn't be bad. Gonna push back down to 50s real quick. Only thing is, this could probably fail from like 10s instead of 500, so I'll end up going negative a little bit. Hey, does my mic sound good or is it like cutting out and shit? All right, yeah, see, we got that push up to 10s and we're continuously getting a push up. Let's see if we can come back down. Let's get a rejection if possible. All right, doesn't look like that's happening. All right, coming back down now. Got a feeling we're just gonna push up the whole last day. Here, but I'm gonna switch this up instead, and I'll just take profit right there at 480s. 20-point take profit. Yeah, I definitely broke through strongly too. If we get a little push down under 500s, are we just gonna go all the way up this whole last time? Okay, there we go. Wait, no, come back down. Thank you. Come down some more. Take me out. Thank you. All right, so now we only need 500 left to make on this account. So 500 left on this account, and we're pretty much good. We're set. Can someone tell me how my mic sounds? Like, I hope it doesn't sound bad or anything. Like, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck's going on with my mic because it keeps cutting in and out, apparently. All right, so we got that retracement. We actually could have kept that trade in, and we could have got the full 1500 to pass. But now we only need 500 left. So maybe we pass this in 3 trades. Maybe we don't. We'll see what happens. Now we're just gonna wait a little bit longer. Let me go back to the 1 minute. Keep forgetting. All right, now we just wait it out. Yo, anyone in the chat? Does my mic sound good or does it not? Probably test this 405 wick. That'd be what, like 100-point drop? Yeah. All right, we're testing that wig. Did we test it? Yes, we did. Let's see what happens from here. Still waiting for a trade right now. Probably gonna push up off that rip. Damn, bro. I be calling this shit out the second it happens. All right, let's see what happens here. This could be a retest back up to the top. Wait, let me see. Can you even 1 day pass on day traders? Does anyone know? Excuse me. Oh, we're coming back down. And let me see. No profit split. Let's see what it says. Do we have frequently asked questions? Like, what the fuck? Yo, can anyone hear me? Let me try help desk. I can't tell if you're talking. Wait, what the fuck? You can't hear me? Testing. Hello? Testing, testing, testing. What the fuck? It says my mic works, so, and it's like moving around. Let me check my phone. Testing, testing, testing. What the fuck? It says, dickhead, you can't hear me. Oh, you can hear me, James? Alright, bet. I think Luck was trolling. Yeah, so far we made 2 trades. We need 1,500. Luck. Can we? You can one day flip DT and are you kidding me right now? EVALS have a fucking 50% consistency rule, so I made too much? Bro. Bro. No, that's bullshit. That actually just pissed me off. Alright, well, I guess we're on to the next account now. And we just gotta make 750. So that's that. But that's fucking bullshit. And there goes my trade. No, that shit just irritated me so bad. I'm probably finna lose this trade now. But yeah, I don't even want 500. Just give me the 750 and I'm out of here. Like, bro, that's such bullshit. Thank you. Alright, well, boom. We're done. Can't fucking do shit. Holy fuck, that just irritated me. Like, bro, I literally have nothing to trade right now. I just bought these accounts thinking I could fucking fast pass them and I can't. Like, what type of bullshit is that? Why the fuck do you have a 50% consistency on a trailing drawdown account? Not to mention, fucking Apex is 90% off right now and they have 1 day pass. You gotta trade for 4 days. Like, bro, that's fucking stupid. Exactly. Intraday trailing drawdown accounts. Bro, I gotta find something else to trade. But like, everything else is too fucking expensive. About Bull Knox. Give me a second. Does Bull Knox have any? No, Bull Knox don't even have a fucking sale going on right now, so it's no point in trading that. Let's try Phidias. I mean, if anything, I'll trade a fucking Phidias swing account and just trade it like a regular account. Just say, fuck it. Phidias 100K swing. Nah, they be fucking wildin', bro. They should be expensive. 400 for a swing account? Are you smoking dick? Well, it is 100K, which makes it 79. Yeah, that's way too much. I'm sorry. I can hear them drugs calling Granny. Pray for me. Safely. Here, let me try the 50K swing and see how much that one is. If it's under 30, I'll get it. If it's more, I'm not getting it. Fuck no. Nah, I'm good. Well, I mean, I guess that's that. I don't really have nothing to trade. Once again, if I trade a Top Step, I pass 50% of it, and I just pass 50%. Like, I want a 1-day pass account. Something like a 1-day pass. Let me see. Only prop firms. Let me see which accounts are 1-day pass. Quickest funding. Why are they capping? I mean, my funded futures is 1-day pass. Wait, it's saying day traders you can pass in 2 days, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's not a 4-day eval anymore. I don't fucking know. Tradeify. They probably don't have a sale going on. Yo, anyone trader right now? Are you up or are you down on the day? Legends trading. What's that? You're red. Damn, bro, what happened? Or like, what trade did you take for in order for you to turn red? Here, let me look at you profit. I don't think I can. Can I? Here, let me see. Damn, so you profit bring the zero rule trade account back, but they put fucking rules in it. They put a 30% consistency. I remember because we had got these accounts and everyone was passing them in like fucking 5 seconds. At first, it used to be, damn, that's kind of fucked. Took a short from 6, like 6 a.m. Is what you're saying? You took a short from 6 a.m. or from when or from where? I can hear these drugs going ready personally. I run it up incessantly. Damn, bro. Someone give me an MFFU account or some shit so I could trade. I'm getting bored. I can't trade Phidias. Phidias is already up, what, like 1.2K, I think, or 1.1K. Then it's up 8,000 in total. These accounts are up. I got none to trade. Let's see, Funded Futures Network. They actually owe me a free account. I forgot. But I just been too lazy to go get it. And it's probably too late to get it. Let me see if there's any other shits out there. So day traders is 90% off. Code Babe, Funded Futures Network. Here, let me go see. Hey man, we back. Yo, good morning, bro. I'm trying to find an account to trade and I just can't find anything. Like, why does every new prop have fucking consistency in the eval, bro? Like, what the fuck is going on? Yeah, I can't even trade Apex, sadly, or else I would have, look at my accounts, like I would have passed Apex. I would have been past Apex. And I could trade MFFU, but they have a fucking 15-second rule. And if you look past the stream, I was just made 600 on 2 trades in like 5 seconds. So I'll literally be fucked over there. Probably end up getting denied. Even if I hold the trade longer, it could end up going against me. I trade levels and I just trade price action, momentum. That's pretty much it. So I'm not looking for a trend day. I'm just looking for a quick trade. Like, for instance, let's say we just pushed up right here, right? We're at the very top. I'm going to trade that back down to this wick right there. And earlier you seen it go up to the top and come right back down to the wick. And watch, it might do it again here. That would pretty much be my trade. But because we're on props, we can't take all that profit for the most part. But see, that would have been a good trade right there. I would have made that trade because I would have traded it back down to the previous wick. And that would have been what, 20 points. So yeah, like, here, let me actually see real quick. How much would that have been if I just got in right there? And then let's say took profit. Yeah, that would have been a $500 trade. And we just seen that trade play out 3 times in our face live. So it would have been, that's pretty much what I look for. Just moves and stuff. Levels, I just look at wherever price came up to too many times. So for instance, right here, we see 1, 2, 3. So I would draw a level right here. Even if you go to the bottom, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, then boom, I draw a level. But because it's inaccurate, I would just draw a zone instead and just go like this. And clearly see that this is our zone that we could trade into. So we should bounce off this area, but because it's not clean, we could bounce anywhere from this area. If I DCA into it. But yeah, I mean, you could draw levels on any time frame. I usually start from the daily to get the biggest levels out the way. Hold on real quick. So yeah, I usually start from the daily, get the biggest levels out the way. Like this, right? So boom. Let me delete these real quick to show you. But yeah, so as we see right here on the daily, we have a big ass gap, right? Well, it's not really a gap no more, but I'd still count that as a gap. Zoom out a little bit, see, okay, clearly we bounce off this area right here. So what I would do personally is I would just draw a line right there, find somewhere else to draw on, look for a rejection. So we have a rejection right here that we finally broke through it. But when we broke through it, we failed again. Boom, that's a line. This area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we rejected it right here. So this is going to be a key level that will eventually come back up to. That's pretty much how you draw levels. Just wherever you see price bounce off of or reject multiple times. That's pretty much how I draw levels. You just trade it level to level. Then as you go lower in time frames, you start to see crispier levels, and then you can also adjust it. So like for instance right here, I would move it down more, but I don't mind keeping my level right there because I don't trade it to the level, I trade it near the level and take my profit out. Right? So yes, it's pretty much that. Not too complicated. Not too complicated. But yeah, that's the easiest way to draw levels. Don't overcomplicate yourself. Just wherever you see multiple hits at, boom, that's your level. If you see a gap, draw a box around it. Don't forget, take profit trader 30% off. No activation fee. Best code going out right now. Cheapest and it's daily payouts. Don't forget to use code BAIT. 5 accounts you can have up to. I recommend get 5. Copy trade it. If you're not comfortable copy trading, take it one at a time. come on. I don't know why I'm saying come on, like I could trade anyways. Should I might just say fuck it and trade this account? Just cause why not? Like it was a $10 account, so I might as well just fuck around in it. Since I got no other accounts to trade. Pretty much right now, for us to continue to the top side, we need to break above this trend line. That's the 1 minute. Let me go to 5. Yeah, I'd like to see us break back above this trend line or hold above it. So if we do that, I think we could go up even higher. If not, and we get a breakdown of 352s, there might be a chance that we could possibly see 300s. So yeah. You needed me. Do you I probably made this shit look simple. Everybody know this shit get hard. 11 seconds left on the 5 minute. I guess I could stay for Confluence if you guys want, but besides that, I ain't really got nothing to trade. I'm green on everything right now. I miss it for everybody. So here's my Phidias account right now. We're up 8K in it. Oh, we're damn near up 9K. What the fuck? But really, I'm gonna just say we're up 8, but we're pretty much up 9K. But yeah, bro, we've been killing it for the past 8 days straight. How long you been trading? I've been trading since I was like, I don't even know, 17, 16-ish. But I used to trade options. And then I started trading futures 3 years ago. Then I started trading prop firms last year. Because it's more opportunity to make more money in prop firms. So I started trading prop firms last year. Where did I learn trading? Self-taught. Like, I wasn't stupid enough to buy someone's course, but I was smart enough to understand what they're saying and read between the lines on their little free promotion videos, I guess you could say. I can't feel my face, no gravity. But yeah, pretty much self-educated. And time in the market, really. That's the only way you'll learn is time in the market. Humans, we can recognize patterns pretty good. So if you can recognize a pattern, you can learn how to trade. That's really it. After you recognize patterns, everything else is purely mental, nothing else. Any other questions? Might as well. I got nothing else to trade, so just ask whatever. We're still holding at that trend line. That's the crazy part. Need to either break it or fail. Mind over matter. That whole don't even matter. Already added. You can have it. Is there no prop firm deals going on? Quan Carpenter. Just trade it, bro. Same way you would pass in the other account. You just trade it. But let me take a look at that for you. I know I'm affiliated with day traders, but I'm going to be honest, bro. You're better off going to Apex because they have a 50% rule. Apex, you could potentially one day pass. And it's 90% off right now with code TBM. Here, let me put that down. I don't even want to promote this dude's code, but fuck it. So 90% off Apex with that specific code right now, but you got to hurry up. And they're way better, less rules than day traders. Day traders, you have to have a 50% consistency in the eval. In the funded, you need a 30%. Apex, you don't have no consistency eval. You can pass in one day. And it looks like we finally got that breakthrough. Now we're just looking for a close in 41 seconds. Yeah. But yeah, all you need for a 150K account, especially in this market, bro, is one contract. That's it. Just use one contract. Like, look at this account, right? So I got this account to 1K. I got this account to 700, and all I used was one contract. Like, this is the best market to trade right now. I'm not banned. I could get my account back. I just got to do some shit before I get it back, and yeah. I know, but mad. I need to break this trend line. Do we have any news today? It is a Wednesday, right? Is today Wednesday? Fucking hope not. Yeah, it is. All right, well, we got, yeah. Oh, we didn't even have news today. So really, it's just the market doing its thing. But again, take Profit Trader right now. Get 30% off. No activation fee. Code BAPE. That's your best deal because it's daily payouts. Daily payouts. So you're looking at about 100 for a 50K account, no activation fee, daily payouts. Can't beat that at all. And you can stack up to 5 accounts. And then once you do that, you're able to, what is it called? So let's say you fail it, you can reset it. And when you reset it, you still get the no activation fee on that account even after the sale is over. So that's literally the best deal going out right now. That's when you want to take Profit Trader, when they have that coupon going out. Looks like we're gonna push up. Probably gonna get a push back up to like 480s, maybe reject off there, if anything. But first, we'd have to break 450s just to see that even happen. So we just wait, test it out. Bro, I at least seen like fucking 100 good ass trades I could have taken by now for like 10 points. Boom, there was one right there. Need a new chart. No, you ain't proud of me. It's on your face. I rid my money. Now these hoes gon' wait. All right, look at that. Got that push up to 60s. Watch, we're about to test 80 soon. So this right here, this would be my trade, right? What I do is I'd get in for my next previous level, which would be what? So I'd get in from like right here, right? So I'm in. Then I would push this all the way back up. Right? I'd push this up because initially I want this wick, but we're on a prop firm account. But look, that was a $500 trade right there. That would have hit. Like, bro, so many trades you could take right now. Like, okay, boom, we got that. We rejected 50s, so now we're gonna come down more. But now you just wait for another setup again. And all it takes is one contract. You can pass a 150K account easily. Not someone impersonating me. What's going on? All right. So let's see. So right now, where are we trading at? Let's go to 30-second time frame. We just bounced off that VWAP, not VWAP. We just bounced off that trend line or whatever. All right, you know, fuck it. I'm gonna just trade this account real quick. Just cause, well, no, that would be stupid. All right, what I'll do is I'll trade it in micros. Everyone forget this is for educational purposes only. Do not follow my trades if you do not want to lose or win. Second off, let me trade this song. Okay, all right, so look, so we finally broke that wick, right? Now we're just gonna wait 30 seconds. We're gonna see if we push up off the level and the wick or if we stay under it. So that'll let us know what we have to do. My opinion, this was a retest and we could possibly keep going up in a normal market, right? Have our retest right here, pushed up. So that's what I think should happen personally. So right now we're coming back down to this, what is that? 434 area, 435 area. I want to see what happens here. We failed to break the wick, so we might come down a little bit before we push up. So what I would do is wait a little bit, see what happens. And if we push over this wick again, right, or if we get a close over this wick, then I'd continue it up. If not, then I'll be looking for a short trade. And we're gonna switch this out because we already had our good setups and now we're looking for quick plays. So one contract for 21 points is 105. 30 ticks, sorry, ticks not points, is 150, right? So now we're looking for 150. We're looking for 150 a trade, pretty much. So we're gonna look for 150 a trade now, take some quick scalps. So what we'll do is we'll wait a little bit. We got what, 2 wicks right here, right? Boom, boom. So now we're just gonna look. Where are we closer to right now? We're closer to the middle of the box that I drew. We failed the top 506s. We're back down to 434 or whatever. We did get this little doji right here. I'm gonna trade this for the push up. I'll wait a little bit. Wait till we hit 30s again. About right here, 34. Then I'll trade that for a quick 100. Got in too late on that. But if we fail this wick, then I'm still gonna push this up, and then I'll move my take profit even higher. And then if we hit that wick, which we did, I'll just get out of it for what is that? Minus 15 points, I think. 10, 20. And if we failed it, guess what I do? Just hop back in and try it again. So we broke the wick. We're coming to the downside. So I'll wait because this is going to retest 15s. All right, see, there's our 15 retest or whatever. Wait first. Let me go up higher. This is a 15-second time frame. Let me put this in real quick just to put it there so I can move this around. And then what is that? 15. That would have been my trade right there. And this is where it gets tricky, right? Because we came down to it. So we might just push all the way up off it. But before we do that, what I do is I'll just go say, fuck it. we would take the 150 points, which would be, I think what, this right here. So boom, that would have been 150 that you could have took. Right? So we're coming back down. Now I'd wait. So good thing about scalping is if it rejects somewhere, right, you can move your take profit down even lower. But if you're in a trailing account, you do have to be careful. So now we're getting a push back up. What I'd initially want to do is I'd initially want to follow momentum, but I'd wait again for another small little retracement. So now I'd want to get in long from 15s. And if we could get that trade, we could get that trade. And if not, if we just keep pushing up like we are, then we look for the next place of retracement, which would be what, like right here at 30s. And if we don't get the trade, then we just stop it and we take a break. So like right now, don't look like we're getting it, but we're, with how high we're pushing up, we could test this wick out, which it looks like we're about to do pretty soon. But if we get filled in, then that's even better. And we almost got filled in, but we did not. All right, so we got filled in. Let's see. What would we be looking for again? 38. So this would be our, so boom, our 150 trade would have hit, but we moved our stop up because we think it could go higher now. Or we moved our take profit up because we think it could go higher. And anywhere out of here would have been 70 points when where we just went, or whatever the fuck it's called. So you could have took that trade off for 70 ticks, not points. Boom, that's 70 ticks right there. Went even higher to 84, yada, yada, yada. Scalping is just easier. I probably make it sound hard, but it's really not. I wish I could show you live, but you guys see my screen. All right, so look, I want to test this wick. We just hit that wick. So that would have been right there. That would have been a 50-point trade. I'm going to just take this off though, because it's micros, so I don't care. But like, scalping your way to a payout is way easier than holding. And then initially, I would set a, what is it called? Look at that trade play out perfectly, right? Even guess what? We lost the other one, right? So the other one we lost for what, like, if you're in a regular account, that would have been like, what, 200-300. But if you took that trade from right here, that would have been up to 77, not even all the way up to where we were, up to the little 77 area that we had marked. That would have been 176 ticks, which is 5 times 176. You would have been over profit, right? So that little $300-400 loss, you would have been up 400. So you would have lost one to gain one. If someone was to hypothetically take that trade, you'd be up. Right, so now guess what we're doing? We came back here, we're facing rejection again. Right, so we're gonna look on the 5 minute, see where we are. We got 2 minutes left. What I would do here, oh, whoops, I not mean to do that. Ouch, I meant to put that up here. Let me move that real quick. So what we do here initially is we'd wait about 2 minutes or so. See, I would have pushed it down though, like not even lie. I would have pushed it down from right there. For 150 points, I probably would have got filled before that push up. But just in case I didn't, as we're coming back down, I would have just moved it down. Just like this. I would have looked for the next place that it could retest possibly and moved it down. But that's what I would have done. But there's also a chance I could have got stopped out of that trade as well. Don't even have to hold trades for long, bro. So So look, now we're coming back into this little range box. I'd initially want this to break under 500s to continue it down. If we can't break under 500s, I push it up. But you see where we are right now, right? All I have to do is this. Boom, that's another 150. Watch, I could do it again too, right? So just wait it out a little bit. Wait it out. We're back at 20s, 30s. I'll short it. Damn, that trade should have hit, but it didn't. Now watch this. We break that previous wick. I'll just get out. Broke the wick. Get out. Try it again. What was that? Was that 50s, 55s? 5 points could get you so far. I feel like this is about to curl back down. Yep, came right back down. Bro, these are some big ass moves on a 30-second time frame. What is this? 100 tick fucking. Yeah, these is 100 tick moves. Here, I'm gonna try something real quick. How many ticks is this? This is 50. All right, here, let me try something real quick. I'm just testing something out. So if that was 100, okay, so boom. Okay, that didn't work. Here, let me see something. How long is this one? This one is 130. Okay, so what if we, let's see, boom, DCA'd it, right? And then we went up there, that would be what, like a $700 play? I hope no one's following this. I'm just testing something out. Let's see how long these fucking wicks are. 153. 138. Where are we at here? 70. So we would need what? On average, another 70. So we could either go down extra 70 this way and end up at 476, or we could go up an extra 70 this way and end up at 528. But it looks like we're going down this way. So let's see what happens. All right, yeah, so these candles are fucking huge. Y'all be careful. Turn that backward and I tell my niggas to live. All right, but hold on. Let me go to NQ. Just snatch a quick trade, because why not? We'll go for 25 though. Go for 25. Why is it this loading? Okay, there we go. We're gonna look for the next wick. Next wick is right here. The top wick is right here. So we could trade through any of those. And we're at that 61 level. Breaking under the level. Coming back towards the trend line. Boom, push that up. See if it works. Suicide. Okay, boom, that worked. Right. Oh shit, I'm tweaking right now. I'm trading the wrong fucking account. All right, hold on. I gotta make that money back real quick. I need to make 100 back. Damn, I didn't even realize I actually need to make like what 125. Yeah, I need to make one trade back. I didn't even realize I was trading the account that I actually had the perfect amount in. So I gotta make that back real quick. What did he say? All right, I'm gonna look for a 1 minute play. All right, we need one trade real quick. One trade. If we break this wick, right? That could be our trade right there. Never mind. Came too fast. All right, we're coming down, 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 down. It's not even worth trading the 405 yet, even though it pushed up. All right, boom. Here, I'm about to push this down. Just gonna wait a little bit for perfect entry. How big is these candles? Boom. Damn, why am I taking so long to make one fucking trade? Fucking another bitch. I told you I'm out here getting money. How big is this? All right, we're getting 100-point candles here. I want to test something out real quick. Just test it out, just to see what happens. Okay, well, we got the 100-point to what, the top side? No, it's 80. So either we go up another 20 ticks. So boom, right there. See if we go higher than that or not. Yeah, we're getting 100 tick range on a 1 minute. That's what it's looking like. All right, boom, trade hit. Now, let me switch back to the account I was actually trying to snag trades on. That was a 1 to like 3 win rate or win ratio, whatever the fuck it's called. But all right, hell yeah, hope y'all learned something. I'm out of here. I'm getting bored. I ain't got shit to trade. Don't forget, like the video so more people can see it. Sub, comment, all that shit.